There's no cheese.
Are you okay? Welcome to the Phoebe Kids of Texas channel. Today we have a delicious recipe from Connecticut. But first, we need to grab some parsley from the garden. We are at Gidget's garden, so let's grab some. We got enough, so let's get to cooking. Connecticut's recipe is clam pizza. They didn't let us clam in, but we got it in the grocery store. Did you know clams have feet? Nope. They also have side fins that they use to eat and eliminate the waste. Ew. I'm not eating that. Yuck. Hey Mom, can we leave the clams off the pizza? It's literally clam pizza. Have you ever tried clams? No. Well, now's your opportunity. Wow. Get excited. Does anybody know what the capital of Connecticut is? Hartford, Connecticut. Did you know they're claiming the invention of the cotton gin? I thought Whitney did that. It totally spurred the Industrial Revolution. This is where Connecticut is located. This is a better look of the shape of the state. It's so tiny and cute. Let's go making that pizza. So following our United Tastes of America cookbook, we need 3.5 cups flour. Add 1.5 teaspoons active dry yeast. 2 teaspoons salt. And 2 teaspoons sugar. Add 3 tablespoons oil. Add 1 cup lukewarm water. And stir it well. We've been kneading this dough for a few minutes. Now we put 1 tablespoon of oil in a clean bowl. I'm going to put my dough in here and get the oil all over it. Take a damp kitchen towel and put it over the dough. Let the dough rise until doubled, about an hour. Our pizza dough is ready to be rolled out. But first, we need to flour our pizza peel. Now let's roll the dough to about 1/4 inch thick. After you rolled out the dough, let it set for 10 minutes. Let's get our clams ready. We live in Texas, so clamming is not really that easy. We went to the store and had to get them frozen. For those of you who have never seen a clam, here's what it looks like. This is what it looks like, but you can't open it with your bare hands. There are two muscles that keep it closed. Do you think you will find a pull in here? That's right, you can get pulls even in a clam. This is what the inside of a clam looks like. We opened it up by steaming it. You can see the leg and the siphon if you look very hard. We're gonna eat all of it. Okay, we're gonna eat all of it? Soon all? No, silly. Just the inside where the meat is. What about the legs? We're gonna eat the legs. I mean the feet and the fingers. I don't like the fingers. We're gonna punch that dough a little bit and get ready to put our toppings on. Take 2 tablespoons olive oil and brush the top of the dough. Take 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic. And slice them up. And sprinkle it on the dough. We're going to take our clam meat and put it on half the pizza. We're only doing half because not everybody wants to eat the clams. You can add some chili flakes if you want. Wait, when do we put the cheese on the pizza? There's not any. I don't know about Connecticut. No cheese. What point of pizza if we don't have cheese? I don't know. The worst thing of all. Let's just try it and see if we like it. Fingers crossed. All fingers and toes. It's time to bake the pizza until it's golden brown. We put those on 10 minutes at 500 degrees. Once it's out of the oven, sprinkle it with parsley. Why are you sad, Bear Bear? Because there's no peas. Because there's no peas.
Fill in.
Watch this. Watch this.
There's no cheese.
Are you good?
I'm between 2 superstars right here.
You have to be like this. There's no cheese.
Hey Bear, will this work? Bear, will this work? But there's no cheese. Did that work? But there's no cheese. I just want to be in front of the camera just one time. Just one time.
Let's see how it tastes. If you like like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye! Love you! Bear, come back! Wow, love it. Yuck! I'm good if we never make this pizza again. What is delicious? Yeah. Not to me. Would you like me to have that? Yeah, please. Okay, give me it. Move over, girl. Move over. Roll over. Roll over. You can have all the slices. I think my grandpa would want. Give it. I think my grandpa likes it. Oh, jeez, thank you. My grandpa's over there and he loves it. I'm the carb queen.